Hello everybody! It is IKEA day! Yay! Me and my friend are gonna go to IKEA and I am gonna do an IKEA haul so I can fill my apartment with moderately priced Scandinavian design. Dun, da, da, da. I really like this room. It's super cool. Wow. Glasses. IKEA glasses. Oh, someone's doing their laundry. That's exactly the colors that I like. So pretty in here. What's in the drawer?
There's a curling iron with the cord. There's vitamins where there's a curling iron with the cord cut off.
Oh.
Like the brushes, like it, and then like the vitamins in there.
Lovely, 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 lovely.
You're so lovely, I'm so lovely, we're so lovely, 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 lovely.
Tell a scary story. I found my new home.
Oh, that's creepy. Ooh! What? But why is there an ear? Did you get me with my little owl?
Bad boy.
I'm bad boy.
Okay, I am back with all of my wonderful IKEA things, and I ended up spending about $550 on IKEA stuff. You want to look through the bags? So I'll just go through them as I open, why can't I English? I will show you them as I go through them. So I got this cute gold and black picture that I'm gonna put up on the wall. It's got shiny gold thread in it. I got 3 big black picture frames for some pictures that I ordered a while back and had no frames for. I got this cute lantern, which I'm not sure what I'll do with yet, but I'm thinking I might hang it on the wall. And I got this little Beauty and the Beast looking cloche. So I'm gonna put a little plant in there or something. Okay, that's bag 1. 2, sorry, this one's not interesting. I got a couple things for my kitchen. More picture frames. These ones are gold. 4 of these. More picture frames. I have so many pictures that I need to put up. Okay, this is a board that you put on the wall that you can put little buckets or shelves or the little bungee cords that you can tuck pictures into. So I plan on putting that up and then using it to hang my BTS photo cards and like some smaller plants and whatever else I have around that I want to put on the wall. I got this little gold napkin holder and I thought it was really cute and art deco, so I got it. I can't see on the camera, but these glasses are pink glass. It's the ones that they normally have, but the glass is tinted pink and I thought it was really cute. Maybe if I put them together, the color will be brighter. Anyway, trust me that they are pink. There's 2 more around somewhere. I hope they're not broken. Okay, so I got about 600 million faux plants. I have a whole bunch of live ones and I don't want to take care of any more. So I bought a lot of fake ones so that I can decorate the whole way around the room with plants. And they're all gonna take a little bit of fluffing up to look good, but I expect that. So yeah. Plant number 1, I think I got 2 of these. Ooh. I bought a little pot for it. So these little gold pots, I'm gonna put 2 of my plants in. I might put this one in, or I might put this one in something else. I have some mason jars that I've been saving. But yeah, gold plant pots. And here's another one. Oh, you're a little bit bent there, buddy. It's okay. And again, gold plant pot. Another fake plant. Another fake plant. Another fake plant. We'll mix it up a little. I got this cute little heart ice cube tray. I'm gonna make pink ice cubes with it. I'm not stupid. I know that a pink tray won't make pink ice cubes, but I'll put like crystal light or something in it and make pink ice cubes. Gonna be so cute. Or maybe rainbow ones. So these are little shelves that go on the board, or little buckets, little white buckets. A little succulent pack. I think I might put these ones in the buckets. We'll see. Another one of those little hangy boys that I showed you. I'm gonna try not to rip it off. That actually worked. Okay, yeah. Patience is not my strong suit. Okay, whatever. Ta-da! I'll make it look better later. Another little baby plant. Another little baby flower. And then I got these 2 big branches, which again, I just like the green leaves sort of look, but I have no idea when I'm gonna put them in. So it'll be a project to find something that these fit in, because I looked while I was there and there was not anything that these fit in that was my style. So these are little shelves for the board that I bought. I needed silverware. I've been using dollar store silverware for the last 2 months.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
So this is more accessories for the little board. One is like a bungee cord, so you pull it across and then you can tuck little things behind it. And the other is hooks. I don't know what I'm gonna actually hang on these hooks, but I'll find something. And I got this cute little tea towel with, it looks like pink ibises. Is this an ibis? It looks like an ibis. But I didn't know there were pink ibises. Anyway, I thought it was cute, so I bought it. And then I wanted another set of sheets and pillowcases, so I bought myself a set of pink ones. Again, it doesn't look as pink on the camera as it does in front of me, but this is pink, not peach. It's like baby pink. Guessing that you know now that if I see something pink, I will buy it. Yeah. Other than that, I bought that giant rug, and it is supposed to go in the area that I currently just piled all of this shit in. So I'm going to stop filming, move this stuff slightly to the side, and then put down my rug. Excited to have a new rug for the cats to puke on every day.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's so soft on my feet. Yeah, good purchase. Super good purchase. Good job, me. Button, come see your new carpet. I'm gonna be cleaning your puke off this by end of day tomorrow, latest. Hey, girlie. Baby. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've found this inspirational, entertaining, helpful. I had a great time decorating my living room, and now I feel like it's finally at home. Anything that didn't come from IKEA also came from somewhere super affordable like Wish or Shein or Vintage. Nothing in here was expensive. If there's anything that you want to know where I got it, let me know in the comments and I will tell you where I shopped for it. Other than that, if you like the video, please hit subscribe, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the section below. And if you like hauls, I'll be doing a big clothing haul in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. Okay, have a nice day.